everyone, Shawn here for our third installment of this amazing golf course. We're on the fourth green right here, and I'm doing a little elevated flop shot. You saw the regular chip, the open face chip, and now we're on the tee box of the next hole, which is 117 yards long. How cool is that? And look at this backdrop. We got Lake Ontario, this gorgeous orchard. So I'm going to be landing the shot. You'll see how beautifully this flop shot's going to land. And these tee boxes are really ideal. I've got a 60-degree wedge here, my ping glide wedge with 6 degrees of bounce. That's a really nice bounce for these kinds of turf conditions. So if you want to do flop shots off a tight line in the fairway, that's the kind of shot you're looking for. So I see my dandelion stem. I'm going to cut through that dandelion stem. Oh yes, look at this. Look at this. Woo, how fun is that, you guys? Did you see how the green received that ball? Spectacular. This is the real deal, you guys. So Design Turf, hats off to you. Amazing. This is so much fun. I could stay here forever. I want to thank all the amazing guys from Design Turf. What a great afternoon we had playing around this wonderful golf course. We had holes at 117 yards and holes at 44 yards. I had so much fun. These guys are salt of the earth, super professional. They'll make your wife incredibly happy with the extra little stuff that they'll do around your backyard. I just couldn't be happier. All the best.
Thanks, Shawn.
And we as well want to thank Shawn for coming out here and promoting everything that we've done, and we appreciate you coming out.
My absolute pleasure.